Mushrooms cheese buns are very tasty with creamy cheese and mushrooms combination. These buns are crispy outside and soft inside and taste same like pizza. Very simple to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special mushroom cheese buns. Take 50 ml of warm water in a small bowl. Add 25 grams of sugar to the water and mix. When sugar melts, add 5 grams of dry yeast, mix and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take 250 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 3 grams of salt to the flour and mix. Now add 100 grams of heavy cream and yeast. Mix all the ingredients to form a dough. For these buns, we don't need to knead the dough. This dough will be little harder, but don't worry, our buns will be soft. Now cover the dough and rest it for about 1 hour or till the dough grows double in size. After dough grows double in size, press gently to make the gas out and divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Now make the pieces into round shape without having any cracks on the out surface. When you've finished doing all, cover the dough balls and rest it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, prepare the stuffing. Here I'm using 200 grams of pickled mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 350 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of mushrooms which is available, but pickled mushrooms will give awesome taste. Now take the dough balls one by one and press gently to make into a round flat shape. Now keep some mozzarella cheese, approximately 1 tablespoon, on flattened dough. On the top, 4-5 mushrooms. And some more mozzarella cheese on the top. You can increase or decrease the cheese quantity and change the stuffing as per taste. Now bring the edges and press to seal the stuffing. Make it into round shape and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment. After you have finished doing all, cross-cut the surface of buns and open the edges. Now keep some more mozzarella cheese or any other your lovely cheese on the top. Sprinkle pinch of parsley. Now bake it in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our creamy mushroom cheese buns are ready. These buns are mouth-watering, very crispy and cheesy. Very delicious. Awesome and delicious alternative for pizza lovers. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.